Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When building a fence on uneven terrain, one option is to follow the contours of your yard. This means that the horizontal rails of your fence will follow your yard in a smooth line that is parallel to the ground rather than level. The contoured method works best when the slope is slight rather than dramatic.
Take our lead.
2 inches. In most applications, a wood fence should be installed at least 2 inches off the ground. Your posts and wrought boards, if you choose to install them, should be the only fence components that contact the ground.
Take our lead.
The way to do that is to drill your holes 3 feet to 3.5 foot deep in most applications, and use longer posts. You then determine the height you want where the ground is highest and use a string line and a level to mark all of the posts to the same height. Then you cut post off to that height.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
One general rule of thumb is to have a horizontal rail for every 24 inches in height. For a 6-foot-high fence, this means 3 rails. While a middle rail may not be a structural necessity, it will help keep fence boards in place and may limit warping and twisting.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
2 main fence building options exist for uneven ground: racked or stepped panels. A fence with stepped panels features fence panels of varying heights. Install the first section of fence over the lowest ground, then start the next section at a greater height.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.